Hi everyone, today I have a surprise Play-Doh POPSICLES collection. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 popsicle with different colors, and in each one we have a different toys. Now let's come see. Yellow, Disney princess. She's so beautiful. Green Play-Doh. Thomas Friend's dress. His name is Maurice. Next one. Red Play-Doh. Mickey Mouse. His place for burn. Papa Play-Doh. SpongeBob. He's singing. La 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 la. I love his voice. And the last one. Blue Play-Doh. Minnie Mouse. She is dancing. Now let's come see again my collection today. Mimi, Mickey, SpongeBob, Disney Princess, Moby's Trains. Bye, see you in next videos.